welcome CNG 132 to Wednesday. Just got finished grading the discussions and then um, also the projects. A few of the projects were missing some assignments, and I gave you feedback on what you're missing. Either pictures or the project itself was blank. I left you like no PNG, which is basically just a picture file, photo file, or missing lab. If you can't do the lab, make sure you let me know in the comments of the box or even in the lab itself. I know one of you had issues with one lab where it said marked it as a virus, and I replied back to you about how to either get it passed through or what to do. And so make sure you tell me what's going on so I just don't deduct points for a reason. If you had a problem with the lab, definitely tell me why you had a problem with the lab, and then follow up with a picture of why you couldn't do the lab. I'm glad some of you are turning into skeptics about everything. That's really what the intro course is about becoming more aware of attack can happen at any time. Since we are getting into the year of Thanksgiving and Christmas with the USB, I don't think I told this story in this class before, but at last Christmas, my wife went to the mall to get photos with the kids, and she brought home this USB, and the USB, seemed harmless enough, but she's like, yeah, just plug this in your computer because it has all the pictures on it. I'm like, man, if I was an attacker, how hard would it be to get them all to agree to let me, set up the Santa thing and then say, hey, look, we're going to give you free USBs that have your information on it. All you have to do is go home and plug it into your computer and you're set. Wouldn't be difficult to put any sort of, it wouldn't be hard to get the information on there. It wouldn't be too hard to get them all to agree just to set up a Santa at a cheap price to take pictures of people, of their family. But still, it's just another factor that people take for granted. They, you can put this on your computer, then take it home, and it bypasses all your security, and you open it up, and it's on your computer instantly. So my thing was I fired up a VM, just made a VM, plugged it into that VM, checked it out, and then, once I knew, okay, it only has pictures on it, then I went ahead and killed the VM and installed it on my machine. But I think in general, I think our guard is down when we approach these sort of holidays. How susceptible are we to social engineering? Are we more trusting because it is the holiday? So just to carry it with yourself, evaluate yourself over the holidays. I'm glad a lot of you are becoming skeptics, like I said, as you should be. Security relates to so many different levels of IT that it's just incredible. So make sure, if I did ask for assignments or just ask for a little bit more, make sure you get those back to me. If you go to discussions and you missed a discussion, a quiz, a lab simulation, a project, make sure to get those in. Any points are better than no points. You still have the end of semester. That is December the 11th to get everything in. And I hate to see anybody fail this course. Usually it's a fairly easy course. You just have to apply yourself to it and get that work done. If you missed a discussion, go back and get that discussion. If you missed posting some follow-up questions, go back and post those follow-up questions. Just participating in those things, you should walk away out of this class with a minimum score of 80, and that's not doing anything else. Make sure you're getting the Kaplan. I saw one person already submit his Kaplan. Make sure you're doing that. Rehearse that before the last day of class, because it always gets, somebody asks, well, how can I bring up my test scores? Kaplan is a way to do that, and it counts for a quiz and a test score. Make sure you're looking at your security policy over the break. When we reach chapters 13, 14, and 15, there's definitely less assignments. So I expect you to get all that work in and definitely bring your grades up to a grade that you want to walk away from this class with. So good job so far. Don't let up. I know it's week 12. Actually, today's Wednesday. We're getting towards the halfway point of week 12. Get those discussions in and make sure you're really applying yourself to the end of the semester. Don't give up now. It's never too late to change that grade that you currently have.